Are you tired of feeling like success and prosperity are just distant dreams, always out of reach? Are you ready to break free from the cycle of barely getting by and start scripting a life of abundance and fulfillment? If you nodded along, then get excited because you're about to embark on a journey that's going to flip the script on your life faster than you ever imagined. Today, we're not just talking about wishful thinking. We're diving into actionable steps that will catapult you from the rot of poverty to the summit of success in just 6 months. But hey, let's get real for a moment. We know it's easy to get caught up in daydreams of a better life, but making those dreams a reality requires more than just wishful thinking. It demands a strategic plan, a shift in mindset, and the courage to take bold actions. So if you're ready to roll up your sleeves and dive headfirst into the journey of a lifetime, then buckle up because we're about to unlock the secrets to transforming your life like never before. Success versus prosperity. What's the difference? Alright, let's unpack this concept and really delve into the nuances. Imagine success as hitting a target with a single shot. It's a victory, no doubt, but it's finite, limited to that one achievement. Now, picture being prosperous as being the star player on a championship-winning team. It's not just about one moment of glory. It's about sustained excellence across all aspects of the game. We're not just talking about checking off a list of accomplishments. We're talking about orchestrating a symphony of success in every area of your life. So, what does that look like in practice? Well, it means more than just climbing the corporate ladder or amassing wealth, though those are certainly important aspects. It's about nurturing meaningful relationships, prioritizing your health and well-being, and making a positive impact on the world around you. In essence, it's about achieving a state of holistic abundance where every facet of your life is thriving. And trust me, once you experience that level of fulfillment, there's no going back to mere success. But here's the kicker. Achieving true prosperity isn't just about external accomplishments. It's about internal transformation. It's about rewiring your mindset, shedding limiting beliefs, and stepping into your full potential. It's about becoming the best version of yourself, not just for a fleeting moment, but for a lifetime. So as we dive into this journey of transformation, remember that we're not just chasing success. We're pursuing prosperity in its purest, most abundant form. And trust me, the view from the top is absolutely worth the climb. Make modifications for transcendence. Alright, let's dive into the basics of transformation. You see, it's not about making massive, earth-shattering changes overnight. No, it's about those small, almost imperceptible tweaks that, when compounded over time, lead to monumental shifts in your life. We're talking about upgrading your mindset and habits, one tiny adjustment at a time. So grab your metal toolbox because we're about to fine-tune your approach to success and prosperity. Now, picture this. You're holding on to beliefs that served you well in the past, but now they're holding you back from reaching your full potential. It's time to let go of those outdated notions and embrace a fresh perspective, the kind that successful people across various fields swear by. Think of it as giving your mental software a much-needed update, ensuring it's running at peak performance to propel you towards your goals at lightning speed. So, are you ready to hit that upgrade button and transcend to a whole new level of greatness? Let's do this! Evaluate your life clearly. Alright, it's time to pull out the trusty old pen and paper. Or, hey, open up that note-taking app if you're feeling tech-savvy, because we're about to embark on a journey of self-discovery. We're not just talking about a quick glance in the mirror here. We're diving deep into the nooks and crannies of your life to shine a light on where you're thriving and where you could use a little extra TLC. So get ready to roll up your sleeves and get down to some serious self-reflection. From your physical well-being to the state of your bank account, from the quality of your relationships to the clarity of your goals, we're leaving no stone unturned. Because let's face it, understanding where you're starting from is the crucial first step in charting the course towards your desired destination. So grab your metaphorical compass and get ready to navigate your way towards a future filled with success, abundance, and all-around awesomeness. Transform dreams into goals and actions. Alright, let's talk about turning those dreams of yours into reality. Because let's be honest, daydreaming is fun and all, but it's time to kick things up a notch. We're talking about taking those lofty aspirations and breaking them down into bite-sized, actionable goals that you can sink your teeth into. So grab your planner, or hey, fire up that goal tracking app if you're feeling tech savvy, because we're about to get down to business. Now picture this, you've got this big, audacious dream swirling around in your head, but without a roadmap to guide you, they're just floating aimlessly in the ether. That's where setting concrete deadlines and visualizing your goals every single day comes into play. It's like giving your dreams a GPS system, a clear direction to follow and a constant reminder of where you're headed. And when you combine that with a healthy dose of positivity and a can-do attitude, well, you've got yourself a recipe for unstoppable success. So, are you ready to roll up your sleeves and turn those dreams into actions? Let's make it happen. Overcome challenges and turn problems into opportunities. Alright, let's talk about the not-so-glamorous side of chasing your dreams. The inevitable hurdles and obstacles that pop up along the way. Because let's be real, it's not always going to be smooth sailing. There will be days when it feels like the universe is throwing everything it's got at you, testing your resolve and pushing you to your limits. But here's the thing, those challenges, they're not roadblocks, they're opportunities in disguise. Yup, you heard me right. Every setback, every stumble, every curveball life throws your way is a chance for growth and transformation. It's like a workout for your resilience muscle. The more you push through, the stronger you become. So instead of seeing challenges as something to be feared or avoided, embrace them as stepping stones on the path to greatness. Because when you adopt that mindset, when you see every obstacle as an opportunity, you'll be amazed at how quickly you can turn setbacks into springboards towards your dreams. So are you ready to face those challenges head-on and let them propel you towards the life you've always imagined? Let's do this! So, are you ready to break free from the chains of poverty and claim the life you deserve? Then buckle up because we're about to embark on a journey that will transform your life in ways you never thought possible. As we wrap up another episode of Wealth Way, we're grateful for your company. We hope the financial wisdom shared here today aids you on your wealth building quest. If you found value in this video, don't forget to hit the like button and join our community by subscribing. For any questions or insights you'd like to share, the comment section is all yours. Until our next meeting, keep chasing your financial dreams because on Wealth Way, we believe your wealth is just around the corner.